If you want to insert your SIM card into Google Pixel 11 Pro, what you can do is you can take a look at the top of the phone, because over here we have the SIM tray. There is also this SIM tray hole over here, and we need to use the eject tool. You should be able to find your eject tool inside of the box. And once you have your eject tool, you can just put it into this SIM tray hole. So let's quickly do so. There we go. And once it is in, you want to apply a bit of pressure and push it into the phone, just like that. Then the SIM tray is going to slightly pop out, and you can use your fingernails or fingers to remove the SIM tray from the phone. Now, here's how the SIM card slot looks like. So we just need to put our SIM card into the slot. We need to match the shape, of course, and just put it in. And make sure that your SIM card is actually fully inserted. It should go in very easily, but at the same time, just make sure that it is properly inserted. Now we need to put the SIM tray back into the phone, so we can just slide it in all the way with your finger and make sure that it does not stick out. It should not stick out at all. It should go fully in, and you want to do that to avoid causing damage to the phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.